Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a point of view drive with this car, the new BYD ATTO 2 DMI. Dual mode intelligent, it's what it stands for. It is the plug-in hybrid model. You can see the charging port over there, and in today's video I'm taking you on a point of view test drive. The car has just been launched on Croatian market. This is the Croatian premiere, so we are driving it around the city and taking a look at all the possibilities and options. 17-inch wheels, 4 meters 33 is the length of the car. And let me show you from the rear. So you see the DMI lettering, and then of course the unique taillights, and also what is very important is that the trunk space is pretty big, 425 liters of space. You have this like the dual floor. And now without further ado, let's go on a drive. I hope you will enjoy this drive just as much as I will. Here is the interior, lovely layout, but now let's see it from driver's perspective. Here's the view as a driver. Let's immediately start the car. You have the start button in here, comes to life, digital cockpit, 8.8 inch one, and the 12.8 inch main touchscreen. Let's put on the seat belt. There we go. And yeah, we are ready to go. This is the gear selector. Put it to drive. And let's start the drive. Very good quality of cameras. You have the 360 view here. And very nice clean design of the dashboard itself. So this is the plug-in hybrid, combines the 1.5 liter petrol unit developed specifically for this hybrid, and electric motor and the 18 kilowatt hour battery, all electric range of 90 kilometers and up to 1000 kilometers of range with petrol and electric power combined. And the drive is so smooth. You have different driving modes, so we can go normal, sport, have this red graphics. When you go into sport mode, instant throttle response, and very interesting sound of the indicators. You can probably change it to a more regular sound. Then other driving modes, snow, then eco and normal. 212 horsepower is the combined system output. 7.5 seconds to reach 100, and the top speed is 180 kilometers per hour. So here we have the boost version. I will also show you additional specs a bit later on. Now here we also have the Google Maps. So this is really impressive. You have the Google Maps and Google Assistant, Google Play. We can, for example, change the temperature, so I will do that right now. Change temperature to 21 degrees.
All right, changing the temperature to 21 degrees.
There we go. And when it comes to the temperature, you can adjust it here. And also, of course, use the Google Assistant. Then press this, you go into the menu for the AC, so you can adjust the air blower as well. And the drive is so smooth. I really love the feeling behind the steering wheel in this car. Now a bit more bumpy section. We are sitting on these 17-inch wheels. And the ride comfort is really good. And the screens have two themes, or actually modes, so dark and light. If we go here and press light, here is the light mode. We can keep it. And then you can also have the map view in front of you. The speed warning sound, of course, mandatory by law in all new cars in Europe. You can of course turn it off in the settings. On the steering wheel you can see the physical buttons, which is nice to see. Then by swiping the screen you have like these shortcuts. Here is where you can also change the mode actually. Very interesting sound of the indicators. And again, the car has just been launched on Croatian market. Stop sign here, so we will stop, check for the oncoming traffic. Okay, we can go. So stay tuned for more detailed review once I get this car for a longer test. And this sound is the sound when you have the new speed limit, and then this is the speed limit warning sound. And again, those can be deactivated if you go here to settings, driver assist systems. So now safety, so speed limit change prompt tone and intelligent speed limit warning. There we go. Regenerative braking, you can have either standard or high. So I'll put the high now, release the throttle, and now the car is slowing down. I'm not touching the brake. And now that we are stationary, let me also show you the full specs here. 2 meters 62 is the wheelbase, 4 meters 33 is the length of the car, blade battery 18 kilowatt-hour battery on the boost, and then active 7.8 kilowatt-hour battery, 6.6 AC charging for this boost and 3.3 for the active. So 0 to 100 7.5 seconds and 9.1 seconds for the active version. And yeah, the system output here 156 kilowatt and 122 for the active version. So those are the specs. And that's it. We've come to the end of the drive. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe for more and see you on the next video. Bye bye.